Let's discuss resonance effect. Resonance affects the reactivity of the molecules. It decreases the electronic availability for reaction. As reactivity is inversely related with the stability, so mesomeric effect stabilizes the ions and molecules. Let's compare the stability of some of the ions and molecules. This is the nitrate ion. It has the negative charge and pi bond at conjugate position. So there is a possibility that this negative charge shift between nitrogen and oxygen and this pi bond break off and negative charge shift on oxygen, giving rise to the resonating structure this one, which is the second canonical form of nitrate ion. Now there is another possibility that this negative charge shift and this oxygen gets its lone pair back, giving rise to the third resonating structure, this one. All the structures have equal number of unpaired electrons. So all are equal in energy and equivalent resonating structures. Now, this is the nitrite ion, which has two oxygen attached with one nitrogen atom. It also has negative charge and pi bond at conjugate position. So there is possibility that negative charge shift between oxygen and nitrogen and this pi bond breaks off and oxygen gets negative charge, giving rise to the second canonical form of nitrite ion. Both are equal in energy as both have equal number of unpaired electrons. According to the rules of resonance, a structure having greater number of resonating structure is more stable as compared to the structure with less number of resonating structures. So we can say that nitrate ion is more stable than the nitrite ion. Let's consider another example of acetic acid. The hydroxyl group has lone pair which can be shifted between oxygen and carbon. This results in breaking of pi bond, giving rise to this structure where oxygen gets positive charge and this oxygen gets negative charge, which is the second canonical form of acetic acid. Both the structure are unequal because both have unequal number of unpaired electrons. The canonical form number 2 has charge separation while the structure 1 does not have charge separation. So both are unequal in energy and both are unequivalent structures. While in the case of acetate ion, the negative charge can shift between carbon and oxygen and this pi bond can shift on this oxygen, giving rise to the negative charge on oxygen. This generates a second canonical form. Both the structure are equivalent in energy because both have the same number of unpaired electrons. According to the rules of resonance, the structure which has its resonating structure equal in energy is more stable as compared to the structure which has canonical form of unequal energy. So we can say that acetate ion is stable than the acetic acid. Resonance effect is also known as the mesomeric effect. It can affect the acidity and basicity of the molecules and can change the dipole moment of the molecules. Now let's discuss how resonance can change the basicity of the molecule. With the first example of amides are less basic than the amines. Amides have amino group attached with one end of the carbonyl carbon. Here you can see that lone pair and pi bond are at conjugate position, so resonance can occur, giving rise to the second canonical form. According to Bronsted concept, a species that can accept the proton is known as base. If a species accepts the proton readily, it is regarded as more basic. But when a molecule is involved in resonance, its electrons are not available to accept the proton. So it decreases the basic strength of that molecule. Now, amides are involved in the resonance, they are not prone to a proton readily. While in the case of amines, where there is no resonance, the lone pair are easily available to accept the proton, which increases the basic strength of amines. So this is the reason that amides are less basic than the amines. As amino group is donating the electronic density to this system, so it is regarded as the electron donating group, which is represented by plus M. The other groups which can donate the electronic density to the system are chlorine, bromine, iodine, amino group, hydroxide, alkoxides, esters, oxides, and aromatic system. Now let's discuss another example. Aniline is weaker base than ammonia. Aniline is an aromatic compound having amino group attached with the benzene ring system. As amino group is electron donating mesomerically, it donates the electronic density to the benzene ring system, giving rise to the multiple canonical forms. When the lone pair shift between benzene ring and amino group, this double bond shift on the second carbon of benzene ring, giving rise to the second canonical form. Now this negative charge can shift between these two carbon and this pi bond break off and shift to the fourth carbon of benzene ring, giving rise to the third canonical form. Another resonating structure is also possible when this negative charge shift between these two carbons and this pi bond break off and shift to the sixth carbon of benzene ring, giving rise to this structure. Amino group can get its lone pair back when this negative charge shift between the first and sixth carbon of benzene ring and this pi bond break off and the lone pair shift to the nitrogen, giving rise to the last resonating structure. So in the case of aniline, 5 resonating structures are possible, while in the case of ammonia, there is no resonance. So the lone pair of nitrogen present in ammonia are more readily available to accept the proton, increasing its basic strength. So this is the reason that aniline is weaker base than ammonia. Now let's discuss how resonance affects the acidic strength. According to Arrhenius' concept, an acid is a species which donates the proton in the aqueous solution. In the case of phenol, the dissociation results in phenoxide ion. This phenoxide is stabilized by resonance, and 5 resonating structures are possible for phenoxide ion. These 5 resonating structures are contributing to the stability of phenoxide ion. As the conjugate base of phenol is highly stable, so phenol tends to dissociate more and more, increasing its acidic strength. If an electron withdrawing group is attached to the benzene ring system, its acidity further increases. Like nitro group at the para position is an electron withdrawing group, which gives rise to the various canonical forms. When the lone pair shift between benzene ring and oxygen, the second canonical form is possible. The third is possible when this negative charge shift between these two carbons and this pi bond shift on the para position. Another canonical form is possible when the pi bond of nitro group break and the negative charge shift between carbon and nitrogen. Now negative charge on para position can shift between meta and para carbon, and negative charge goes on ortho position. In the end, oxygen gets its lone pair back when the negative charge shift between these two carbon and pi bond break off, giving rise to this structure. So 6 resonating structures are possible when nitro group, which is an electron withdrawing group, is attached at para position. Now let's discuss how resonance affects the dipole moment of molecules. Let's compare the dipole moment of nitrobenzene and nitromethane. Nitrobenzene has greater dipole moment than the nitromethane. In the case of nitrobenzene, the 4 resonating structures are possible. In the second structure, there is a positive charge on ortho position, while in the third structure, positive charge goes on the para position, while in the fourth structure, positive charge goes on the ortho position again. As dipole moment is directed from positive to the negative center, so in the case of nitrobenzene, its direction will be upward. The dipole moment is equal to the product of charge and distance. Greater the distance, greater will be the dipole moment of molecule. In the case of nitrobenzene, the distance between positive and negative center is greater in second, third, and fourth resonating structure. While in the case of nitromethane, though 2 resonating structures are possible, but both the structure have equal distance between positive and negative center, which is less than the distance in nitrobenzene. So this is the reason that nitrobenzene has greater dipole moment than the nitromethane. As nitro group is Withdrawing the electronic density from the benzene ring system or from aliphatic system, it is regarded as electron withdrawing group, which is represented by minus M. Minus M means electron withdrawing groups mesomerically. The other groups which have minus M effect are nitro, cyano, carboxylic acid, esters, acid amide, aldehydes, ketones, secondary amides, and aromatic system. So this was all about the resonance effect. Thanks for watching.